Good morning, beautiful souls. How are you today? I've been for a ride on my motorbike this morning and off to a business meeting with, it's a women's business meeting group that I try to get to once a month. And this morning we were talking about the difference between intention and goals. So goals, of course, they need to be specific. They need to have a date. Otherwise the brain doesn't know how to do it. So if my goal is to lose 10 kilos, but that's my goal, what's going to happen? You need to have a date. And the date needs to be very specific. So, for example, the intention behind the goal might be, I will exercise or sauna every day. I will spend an hour in the garden once a week. I will make sure I stick to my HCG diet, or keto diet, or paleo diet, or low calorie diet, or whatever is your jam. So the intention is the thing that gives you that daily trust and hope in yourself. So intention is like a promise. You don't want to break it. But one of the keys is to have them written down so that you can focus. And yes, I'm in my bathroom. Someone's downstairs, so I thought I'd quickly do this up here, and it was a spot where it was reasonably tidy. so I thought I would do a quick little balance around intentions and goals, and hopefully this helps some of us, because how many goals and intentions have disappeared over the last 20 months with the world topsy-turvy, topsy-turvy, topsy-turvy. And the best we can do is to bring ourselves back to ourselves, think about what I can achieve, where I want to go, who I want to be, what I want to do, and then start making those little steps towards that. So that's my little intention, and that's my goal for this session. Okay, so let's see if I stick to it. You never know what's going to show up in my meditations. Obviously, they're very ad hoc, and I never know which parts of the brain or which parts of the amygdala, or I never know which things are going to show. So you never know. Okay, part 2 coming up.